In this Excel video, I will teach you 5 lesser-known Excel keyboard shortcuts, and each of these 5 deals with editing and formatting. This is going to be fun. Let's get started. So here I am in an Excel spreadsheet, and let's say I want to quickly auto-sum column B. The quickest way to do that is to click on cell B6, hold Alt, tap equals. Instantly, Excel tries to figure out what you want to auto-sum and does its best. That's perfect. It auto-summed exactly what I wanted. I could do the same here in cell C6. Just click, Alt equals. But in most cases, it's faster just to select the cell that has already been added up and then click on the fill handle in the lower right corner and drag, and the rest of the totals that you might be looking for will automatically be generated. Now, of course, I could click and drag to highlight that range, go to the Home tab, and bold the totals. Let's move on to the second lesser-known Excel editing and formatting keyboard shortcut, and that is select visible cells only. So sometimes when you filter out data using these filters that are here, and just clicking here, let's say I filter out South and North, click OK. Now you can see that certain rows are skipped, rows 2 and 3 in this case. Sometimes in that situation, you want to select only the visible cells that you have in your spreadsheet. The shortcut for that is Alt semicolon. Now I can copy that, Control C. I could go to another tab, Control V to paste, and only the visible cells were copy pasted. I'm going to remove the filter just by clicking here, and I can click Clear Filter from Region. Our third keyboard shortcut that's lesser known and is for editing and formatting in Excel is Apply Currency Formatting to selected cells. As you can see, all of this data here is meant to be money, currency. So I've clicked and dragged to highlight that range, and I'll use the keyboard shortcut Control Shift $. Instantly, that entire range is turned into currency. Lesser known keyboard shortcut number 4 is Open Format Cells window. Now, step 1 is to select a range of cells or a piece of text or a number, but you have to have something selected, and then hold Control and tap 1 on the keyboard, and you get the format cells pop up. So here I could quickly switch from currency to accounting. It's kind of a subtle change in this case. I could change it to times. I could change the formatting to a fraction or whatever I need. Okay, our fifth and final lesser known Excel keyboard shortcut that helps us with editing and formatting is enable or disable filters on a table. So with this table that I'm working in, you can see the filters that are here in row number 1. If I'm ready to be done with those, all I have to do is click Alt and then quickly DFF. Notice what happened. As soon as I typed the last F, all while holding the Alt key, all of the filters got switched off. If I want to put them back on, Alt DFF again, and they come back. So this is a toggle. Alt DFF turns them off, and Alt DFF turns them back on again. So those are 5 lesser known Excel keyboard shortcuts to help us with editing and formatting our spreadsheets. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it to be helpful. If you did, please like, follow, and subscribe. And when you do, click the bell and you'll be notified when I post another video. If you'd like to support my channel, the best way to do that is to become a channel member, but you could also click the thanks button below the video. You could support me through my Patreon account or by buying channel merch, and you'll see information about those options in the description below the video. Speaking of supporting the channel, thank you so much to my Super Techie channel supporters. Thank you. I really appreciate how you support the channel. It helps me to be able to continue to make these technology videos.